We have gathered here to protest against the brutal extrajudicial execution of MQM worker Nadeem Khan, who was arrested from his house by paramilitary Rangers personnel on 17th of December 2016. The family of Nadeem Khan was approached by a group which Pakistani establishment has created in Pakistan, so-called PSP. Nadeem Khan and his family were over and over threatened to join PSP. When they refused, Nadeem Khan was brutally tortured and killed, and his body was dumped in Aurangi town area of Karachi. Nadeem Khan was not the first person to be killed extrajudicially in Karachi or in urban Sindh. In the last many years, 20,000 MQM workers have been killed extrajudicially. And in the last 2.5 years alone, 70 plus MQM workers have been killed extrajudicially. In the last 3 years of state operation against MQM and Muhajirs, over 10,000 raids have been made. Over 8,000 MQM workers and supporters have been arrested. Hundreds of them are still missing. Over 1,000 are still in prison without any charges. One of them is 71 years old, Professor Zafar Hassan Arif. He's a PhD scholar. He was the head of the philosophy department at Karachi University. He studied at Harvard and Hull University. His only crime was to support MQM at a time when nobody else was prepared to defend MQM and MQM Qaid Altaf Hussain. Professor Arif was arrested. He is 71 years old, a cardiac patient. He is not in the best of the health. Yesterday he was supposed to be released on bail, but the judge decided not to show up at the hearing, and as a result, Professor Arif is still in prison. This is not just one bit of the detail. There are hundreds of similar incidents happening on a daily basis. And when MQM Qaid, MQM founder, MQM leader Mr. Altaf Hussain raised his voice against these blatant violations of human rights in Pakistan, a court in Lahore placed a blanket ban on the speeches and news coverage of MQM Qaid Altaf Hussain. No Pakistani media is allowed to show his picture or his speech, or even cover his views when the media criticize him. He is not allowed. The irony is that the media frequently blames him, or people in the media blame him for a number of things. But he is not given the right to come and defend himself. Also, keep in mind that MQM is the most liberal, progressive and secular political party in Pakistan, which stands for the minorities' rights in Pakistan. MQM is the only political party in Pakistan which demands equal justice for people of every religion. It demands equality on gender basis. But while MQM is being targeted, being crushed, the extremist religious organization which advocate hatred, which carry out suicide bombings in Pakistan, which are responsible for the killing of 75,000 Pakistanis including Pakistani soldiers in the last 15 years. These organizations and their thugs, their terrorists, their militants are free to roam on the streets of Pakistan and carry out their ideology of hatred. In the last 2 weeks alone, over 500 Pakistanis have been killed by these religious terrorist organizations, but no action is taken against them, while MKM, the liberal and secular party, is continuing to be crushed. We are here to protest against these inhuman actions and blatant violations of human rights. I thank you all for showing up. I thank you, the media men, who showed up in this very unfavorable weather. I thank all the children, their MK members and their families. But brothers and sisters, this is the least we can do. Allah Bhai and the nation expects a lot more from you, and I hope you will not disappoint your brothers and sisters living in Pakistan who are now looking towards you to raise their voice, to raise their cause. Thank you very much.